Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the notifications on the mindful moments function in the Headspace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left, and then click on the notifications button, and then click on the mindful moments button. And with this function you will get daily messages to keep you mindful throughout the day. So if you want to enable this, just click on the white circle next to the notifications button, and once it turns green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.